Hey everybody, Craig Lighthizer here. In this video I want to talk to you a little bit about DoorDashing. Yep, I do DoorDash. I do it mostly weekends and on the evenings when I have time, when I'm not sailing. But I primarily do it because it gives me money to buy ads, Facebook ads, or Bing ads. So I usually take that money for advertising. So I go out and spend a few hours DoorDashing, pick up 50, 60 bucks, and I put that to my ads accounts. And if you guys are DoorDashing and you've got nothing else going on, I've got a great little program for you to check out. And if you do want to check it out, hit me up either on Facebook or comment below on this video here on YouTube, and I'll get back to you. But I have I run into a lot of dashers when I'm out dashing, and it's predominantly what they do. They're entrepreneurs by heart, by spirit. They're out making this gig economy work for them. A lot of people got laid off during the COVID situation and didn't let them slow them down. They went out and signed up for DoorDash and started going out and making it a business. And you can do that too. But with affiliate marketing, you can do a few things and have that set up. And while you're DoorDashing, you can have that working for you in the background. So imagine if you go out on DoorDash every day and you want to make $100 a day DoorDashing. Wouldn't it be nice to have something running on the internet in the background that maybe picks you up another $100 a day? Now you're doubling your efforts. So if you want to learn more about that, click this link below to get DoorDash if you want to become a DoorDasher. And if not, just hit me up or just put a comment, more info, and I will get back to you with some more information that you can learn a little bit more about affiliate marketing, particularly marketing high ticket items. So guys, with that, it's Saturday the 25th or something, and wish everybody the best and have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you in the next video.